Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of three very different but very powerful privacy-focused browsers: Floorp, Vivaldi, and Brave. All three claim to give you more control, better privacy, and a smoother browsing experience than traditional browsers like Chrome, but they approach the goal in completely different ways. So the real question is, which one actually deserves to be your daily browser in 2026? Well, let's get started. Brave browser is built around privacy and speed, with built-in ad blocking and a crypto-driven reward system. Vivaldi browser is built for power users who want extreme control over every part of the browser, while the Floorp browser is a lesser known but rising Firefox-based browser focused on privacy and customization. Brave and Vivaldi are both Chromium-based, meaning they feel familiar if you've used Chrome, but Floorp is based on Firefox, which already gives it a different privacy foundation and extension ecosystem. Floorp is relatively new compared to the other two, as I earlier mentioned, but it's gaining attention fast, especially among users who want Firefox-level privacy with more flexibility. Now with Vivaldi, if Floorp is flexible, Vivaldi is obsessively customizable. This browser was created by former Opera developers who believed modern browsers had become too simple and restrictive, so they built something that is quite the opposite. Now Brave has positioned itself as the privacy browser for everyone. Unlike Floorp and Vivaldi, Brave is not trying to be ultra customizable or niche. It's trying to be fast, to be private, and ready to use immediately. Now, what are the main features of these browsers? With Floorp, it focuses heavily on customization and privacy. It's built on Firefox CSR. It has strong privacy protections out of the box, vertical tab support, similar to Vivaldi, multiple layout modes, built-in tracker blocking from Firefox ecosystem, and it is lightweight compared to many of the Chromium-based browsers. It also supports Firefox extensions, which is a huge advantage for privacy-focused users. One standout feature is how flexible the UI is. You can reshape the browser almost like a workspace instead of just a tab bar. Now let's talk about the main features of Vivaldi. Vivaldi is packed with advanced tools. There's tab stacking and tiling, there's built-in email, client, calendar, and RSS reader. There's deep UI customization from themes to layouts and sidebar positioning. There's built-in notes tool and screenshot capture. There's advanced keyboard shortcuts and built-in tracker and ad blocking. It's also Chromium-based. It supports Chrome extensions. One of its strongest features is tab management. If you're someone who works with 20 to 100 tabs open, Vivaldi is built for you. Now let's talk about the features of Brave. Brave comes with privacy built in by default. Yes, there's a built-in ad blocker, no extensions needed. There's a tracker blocking enabled automatically. There's Brave Shields for site-level privacy control. There's store browsing mode, crypto wallet integration, and Brave Rewards is also Chromium-based. The biggest selling point is simple. You install it and it already protects you. No setup is required. Now, what is the pricing of these browsers like? For Floorp, it's completely free and open sourced. For Vivaldi, it is also free. Some optional services exist, but the browser itself is fully free. And for Brave, it is equally free. But there's a Brave VPN that you can purchase at $9.99 per month. And there's a search premium plan for Brave, which is the Brave Premium, at $3 per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Floorp, has strong privacy foundation, highly customizable UI, and supports Firefox extensions. It's also lightweight and fast for a customizable browser. And the pros of Vivaldi: extremely customizable, built-in productivity suites, and strong performance for power users. The Chrome extension support is also there. And the pros of Brave: excellent privacy out of the box, has very fast performance, and is easy for beginners. There's also a built-in ad and tracker blocking. How about the cons? For Floorp, it has a smaller community compared to Brave or Vivaldi. It has a less polished ecosystem and is not as beginner-friendly. And the cons of Vivaldi: it can feel overwhelming for beginners and is slightly heavier than simpler browsers. The learning curve is also a real one. And the cons for Brave: It is less customizable than Vivaldi or Floorp, and some services may require extra cost. So which is best of the three? Now let's be honest, there is no single best browser here. It depends entirely on what kind of user you are. So I'll say it this way, if you want something that just works, no setup, no learning curve, and you want privacy, Brave is the safest choice. If you're someone who lives in tabs, workflows, productivity systems, and you want full control over your browser, then Vivaldi is unbeatable. But if you're the kind of user that doesn't like Chromium dominance, you prefer Firefox-based tools and you want something lightweight but customizable, then Floorp is a hidden gem here. And that's it on the comparison of the Floorp, Vivaldi, and Brave browsers. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.